Pig waters, 55-gallon drum, and 2 water nipples in it. They sell these kits that come with a nipple and a plastic bulkhead online, and learn from my mistakes, my trial and error, and buy brass bulkheads. They last a lot longer. I got home today and they had ripped this one. They'd ripped the outer flange off of it and pushed the whole thing in the tank. It was the bottom one, so the whole tank was empty. So I got another tank out there that has the brass ones on it, and I've never had a problem. So spend the extra $10, get the brass ones. These are junk.